Howdy all! Another video over the Fancy Food channel. We're gonna open up this field ration of the IDF Army, and we're gonna show you what we have right here inside. So let's get started. This is standard issues IDF field ration. Let's see what we got inside. Got this halva shit right here. We got this chocolate paste. Bunch of these. Tuna salad. Another tuna salad. We got this fresh corn. Olives with a fishy looking can. More hummus with trina. And another one. We got these nuts right here, peanuts. More tuna, some more tuna, whole bunch of tuna. Beans, pineapple, and some more corn. Now, in addition to all that, of course, we got 2 can openers and we got a trash bag. So this is it. This is what field ration for IDF Army contains for 4 people. 4 IDF soldiers supposed to eat this shit for 1 day. Alright? So that's right. Thank you for watching. Here we've been testing this shit. Check out our channel.